Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I wanted to show you how to download the SVG files that I'm using in each video. If you are coming across this video for the first time, I have links to SVG files in my video descriptions that you can download and use for your own projects. The link will always be in the description, and from the video you can click on the link and that will take you to the Dropbox website. It may ask for you to sign up or download the app, but you do not need to do any of that. Just click out of it, and from here, click download and save this to your computer or tablet. You will be downloading a zip file. That's just a compressed folder that contains the SVG and PNG files. To extract the files on my iPad, all I need to do is click on the zip file, and it's ready to be used in Design Space. On a computer, all you need to do is double-click the zip file, then select Extract, then Extract All. Then the files are ready to be uploaded in Design Space or whichever software you use. Here's what it looks like using an Android. I'm going to download the zip file to my phone. Next, I'm going to locate the zip file I just downloaded and extract. To upload in Design Space, open the app, hit Upload, select from Photo Library, and select the extracted SVG file. And that is how you download and use my SVG files.